is essential to every living thing, which means it'll always be in demand. In a climate of water shortage, where demand outweighs supply, there are only two options. Either more water has to be supplied, or existing resources have to be managed more efficiently. Large volumes of water are lost every year through leaking pipes. Conserving water by reducing leakage is therefore a popular, cost-effective option. Palmer Environmental and Radcom Technologies are international companies dedicated to conserving the world's water through network monitoring and leak detection. Under the control of the Halma Group, Palmer Environmental and Radcom Technologies have joined forces to provide an extensive range of leak detection equipment, pressure controllers and data loggers. The products and services of both companies are available through a worldwide distribution network and two sister companies, Hydrika in France and Fluid Conservation Systems in the United States. To combat the loss of water in pipe networks, Palmer Environmental and Radcom Technologies have developed a strategy for leak detection and control which includes the following product areas. To monitor flows and pressures, a range of advanced data loggers can be used to remotely record and then transmit data using either PSTN, GSM or SMS technology. These battery-operated telemetry data loggers run continuously for over 5 years. Leak localization systems have been developed to continuously and cost-effectively monitor network leakage. And many thousands of these leak noise loggers have been deployed worldwide in our towns and cities, with the ability to integrate into GIS systems. To pinpoint leak positions on underground pipes, a range of correlators have been developed. These include dual or multi-point correlators using the latest digital technology. Some of the most advanced leak sounding systems or ground microphones are available for leak position confirmation as well as for leak survey operations. To reduce the effects of increased pressures in pipe networks, a range of automatic pressure controllers can be used. These can dramatically reduce leakage volumes resulting from excessive pressures. Moving from the clean water side to the dirty water side, the company provides specialist equipment to record flow rates. For example, ultrasonic level sensors linked to data loggers can monitor effluent water levels in combined sewer overflows, and other flow measuring systems are available to monitor flow rates from sewerage plants. To get the fastest and most accurate results in leakage control and monitoring, a range of training courses is available that combine theory and practice. Palmer Environmental and Radcom Technologies, keeping water under control.